This video sponsored by BuyMote shopping app. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about causative agent for communicable diseases. Smallpox disease caused by variola virus, chickenpox disease caused by varicella zoster, rubella caused by RNA virus, Toga virus family, mumps caused by paramyxovirus, measles caused by myxovirus. Next one, tuberculosis caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, diphtheria caused by Corynebacterium diphtheriae, pertussis caused by Bordetella pertussis, typhoid fever caused by Salmonella typhi, cholera caused by Vibrio cholerae. Next one, malaria caused by Anopheles mosquito, filaria caused by Wucheria pancrofti, yellow fever caused by flavivirus and Aedes aegypti mosquito, dengue caused by Aedes aegypti mosquito, leprosy caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Next one, sexually transmitted disease and its causative organism. For genital herpes caused by herpes simplex virus, syphilis caused by Treponema pallidum, vaginitis caused by Candida albicans and Trichomonas vaginalis. Next one, gonorrhea, urethritis, cervicitis, epididymitis, salpingitis, pelvic inflammatory disease, neonatal conjunctivitis. These are caused by Neisseria gonorrhea, and genital and anal warts caused by human papillomavirus. Next, AIDS caused by HIV. Next one, urethritis, cervicitis, epididymitis, Reiter syndrome, pelvic inflammatory disease, neonatal conjunctivitis caused by chlamydia trachomatis. Next, acute and chronic hepatitis caused by hepatitis B virus.